Hey guys, I'm here with
Ben Nuko.
Bro McCabe.
and today we're going to be doing the blind, deaf, and mute baking challenge, and we're going to be baking cookies.
I'm deaf.
Oh shoot.
Oh, I'm blind. I'm blind.
No, I'm mute, bro.
Okay, that's fine.
That's fine. Okay.
Okay. We need flour. Ben, take flour. Yeah. Okay, no, here.
How much is an honest one?
Wait, okay, you want me to put flour in there?
I don't know.
Oh, put it in the oven? Oh, in a small bowl, combine flour, baking soda, and salt. Okay. Flour? No, we don't use this. This is for liquid.
What is this?
We need like the
Hey. What is this?
flour. That's flour.
Thank you.
We need.
How many flour do you need?
All right, 1 TSP. Bingo.
How many flour?
I can't read your lips.
How many
How many?
flour?
Flour. How much flour? Oh. Okay. Pour it in. Right here. Yeah. Just dump. That's a lot of flour, dude. Okay. And then we need.
Am I good?
We need to beat butter, grounded sugar, brown sugar, vanilla.
Just you pour it in.
We gotta rinse that out, right? We need another. No, this is more than enough. Caroline, you know how much flour? That's so much flour. Because that's for liquid. I think there's a difference. Oh, okay.
Stop laughing.
We need to beat butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, and vanilla extract. Yeah, I did it in there. I did. I already did. It's at the bottom. We need two sticks. We need to beat them.
Butter.
Okay.
Right? Butter.
Syrup? Oh, it's vanilla.
What is this right here?
That's the brown sugar.
Nice.
Wait, did you warm up? Okay. We need to beat it. Yeah, you good, dude?
Alright, what are we doing now? Like, what's our...
Okay, butter.
Oh, jeez. I just flip the switch. I just flip it. No, okay. I'm just testing it.
Okay, wait. We need granulated sugar.
What?
Go! Yo, you are so above the line. Oh my gosh. It's that. You're so above it.
Is there stuff in there? Pour? Is there stuff in this? Okay.
Pour it. You're good. Dump.
What's our next step? Okay. Hey, Brett. Yeah, what do we do next?
What do we do next? Okay. I'd read lips. I'm good, actually.
We already used We already used stuff. We should put it away, right?
What do you want me to do? How much?
We already used it. This is like baking soda or something, right?
1 TSP.
The baking soda? Baking soda. This is baking soda. Okay.
Wait, I put in this one? Large mixing bowl. Beat butter, granulated sugar, bunch. Oh, beat it until creamy.
Why is
that creamy?
Is it down. Okay. Wait, that's too much. That's too much.
No, put it down in a trick spot.
Turn it down. Is this good?
Lower, 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 lower.
Okay, that's off. Yeah, put another one. Oh my goodness. Tell me when. Hey, what just happened? What just happened?
It's gotta be into a creamy. Do it until creamy. You go snitch. Oh, you want gray egg? In here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait. Oh my gosh. Oh, shoot, shoot.
You want me to crack an egg? Oh, jeez. I'm not good at this with my eyes open.
You got it. Okay, yeah, bang it on the edge.
Alright. And in here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right on.
Oh! Wait, that was actually good.
¿Cuántos huevos?
Oh, use this.
¿Cuántos?
Wait, Nuke, watch out. Just go to your right a little bit. I think after it gets a little bit better than it was. That's what it says. Morsels. I think morsels means.
A morsel is a chocolate chip. That's what they use.
Oh.
It doesn't feel right. Am I doing something?
I have no clue. Top? Wait. Go crazy?
Oh, it's a song. I made some plans for us.
Okay, well, do it with your hands. Like, explain it with your hands.
I
You? Okay.
made,
You mix.
made.
Bake.
Alright, never.
Oh, it actually looks good. Oh, wait. What are you trying to say? It's a song.
Wait till you end us.
Never mind. Just scratch it. Wait, so gradually. Like, a little at a time. Okay.
Like, just like go in the other room. Oh, actually?
Okay, fine. Start adding some more. Like grab. Yeah. Like that. That's what we're supposed to do. This reminds me of like baking Christmas cookies. I'm starting to bake the Christmas cookies. Okay, add the rest. Hey, no, we can free ball that. We do not need to do free balling. We do not need to measure out chocolate chips. Are you serious?
Yeah, the more the merrier. Just put like a big handful.
Just for the rest? Good. Should we dump them in? Oh wait, you gotta get that off. That's a 4-hour workout.
Good.
Oh, you want me to put in the sink? Oh, I don't want to eat. No. Hey, Ben. You can eat that.
Wait.
Ben, open wide.
No.
Just open wide.
Oh, no. I don't want to eat it.
Good. Next song.
Ooh, that smells good.
Buena.
Buena cosecha. Solo lluvia, buena cosecha. This is for the tonatillo. I have to mix with a spoon.
Alright. Put it in there, mix it.
Jeez, why don't I get to use the mixer? Good talk. Oh, you can't talk. Wait, why can't they use the mixer?
What?
Why no mixer?
Lie down mixing?
Mixer.
Oh, why not the mixer? Oh. Because it's like too thick.
Oh.
I think so. Go in circles. Yeah. Do you use the cookie or the ice cream scooper to plot it or no? What? Oh, use the hands? Oh, wash your hands? Okay. I'm gonna wash it over there.
Here, trade, I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay. That's not it. That's your fish tank.
I don't really want to touch it.
I don't want. Oh, actually, I'll mold it. Is that what I have to do?
Mhm.
Dar's going. Where am I putting it?
Oh wait, I can take it. Touch it. Wait, how big did you make it? About yay big. Okay. Ew. Ew.
What?
Hold on. Ben, Caroline wants you to come over here and
I don't want to do that.
try some of this stuff.
Okay.
Or make it into balls.
I've never even
I'm
done
not
this in
doing
my
it
life.
anymore. My hands feel
What do I
weird.
do? How much should I get? Like this much? I feel like too small. That much.
Holy
Right
God.
Right here?
That's ginormous.
Down?
What? You're letting that slide? That's ginormous. Holy. Okay, wait. Here, I'll direct your hand. Feel that. Okay, feel that size. Okay, and then feel that size.
I
Look at
didn't feel anything different. Alright, I'll make them smaller though. Put my hand down.
Dude, that one's ginormous.
That one's mine. That one's mine. Go.
What? It's big?
Help. Help, please. Jeez. You do the rest.
Bro,
go
can't believe it. Dude, she wants you to eat it. Is it good? Shake your head yes or not good. Right. Yeah, that is it good. Good. All done?
I need to wash mine.
Go wash your hands. Alright, follow my voice. Come here. I got it. Now you're step.
Ow!
You're
Stop! No! Ow! Stop! Stop!
You stub your toe?
Yeah. Yeah.
What? Ow. Sink.
Can you turn it on?
Here, stick out your hand right here. Right here. On a snap. No, more. Like, come forward more. To the right. Yep, more, a little more. A little more. Go forward, up. Right there, perfect. Okay, forward. Ben, do not put it in the oven. You're gonna burn it.
I did not put it in the oven.
Okay, now we finished. This is the final product. We're gonna taste test.
not good. It's hot.
Are you okay?
Pretty good. More cooked on the outside than the middle, but
Yeah, because someone made them really big.
it wasn't even that big.
Thanks for watching.
Hey, be there, be square. Thank you guys so much for this video. We're about to eat some cookies and review.
Hey guys!
Wait, are we?
Alright.
Wakanda K.
This is coming out after that, right? Don't you play them?
Antioch K. Where's the North K?